Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is February 9th, 2025, and we're diving deep into the XAUUSD market. Recent news reports suggest increased trade war tensions, which often drives safe haven demand for gold, potentially pushing XAUUSD higher. However, positive employment reports have also been released recently, which may counter this effect. Let's start by examining the daily chart for XAUUSD. We can see a clear upward trend over the past month, punctuated by some minor corrections. Notice the significant price increase on October 13, 2023, likely influenced by those trade war concerns, as we discussed earlier. Looking closer at the daily chart's volume, we see spikes corresponding to the larger price movements. High volume during significant price changes suggests strong conviction from market participants. Now let's switch to the 1-hour chart to examine price action in more detail. Here we can see smaller fluctuations and potential short-term trading opportunities based on the intraday price movements. Notice the consolidation periods on the 1-hour chart and how they often precede notable price breakouts. Identifying these periods can provide excellent entry points for short-term traders. The 15-minute chart provides an even more granular view of price action. Intraday volatility becomes more pronounced here, offering numerous opportunities for scalpers. However, it's also important to acknowledge the increased risk involved. Let's focus on the daily chart again. We've identified several key support levels, particularly around 1820 and 1900. Resistance is currently near 2000 and 2050. Breaks above those levels suggest a bullish trend. Short term, we observe that the 1-hour chart shows strong support and resistance levels that are important for scalping opportunities. We can see from the daily chart that breakouts above 2050 could lead to even further gains in the short term. The 15-minute chart could help you identify when those key support and resistance levels on the 1-hour chart are likely to break. Remember, higher timeframes give a better overall picture, but lower timeframes can show you better entry points. In summary, the current news points to a potentially bullish outlook for XAUUSD, but this must be confirmed by technical analysis. Key price levels to watch are the support levels at 1820 and 1900 and the resistance levels at 2000 and 2050 on the daily chart. A break above 2050 would increase the likelihood of a significant price surge. In the short term, we can also look at smaller fluctuations on the 1-hour chart for potential entry and exit points based on support and resistance levels. A breakout above the 2050 level on the daily chart would support a bullish short-term outlook. Remember to always manage risk appropriately and consider using stop-loss orders to protect yourself against potential losses. While there is potential for gains, it's crucial to remain vigilant about sudden reversals that could compromise our strategy. Always stay informed about relevant news, and remember that predicting the market is always uncertain.